Okay, Fiona, you've got 10 shots, you only need 3. Should really wear eye protection. I would. Right, safety catch is off. Oh, magazine fell out. And there's the magazine, tiny little thing. And we have our plastic balls. It's really, really inexpensive way of learning to shoot, for sure. This should work. Okay, so I'm trying to train Fiona to shoot into the clock, just using that as a target in the centre really. And it's quite easy with the airsoft gun in a limited range. And she wants to shoot at these matchboxes, which I'll dare say we'll shoot later. So I'm going to get another clock box for Fiona and get her to shoot and just get used to it. Okay, good morning YouTubers. I've dug this out today. This is Airsoft by little plastic balls, and it's good fun. It's a really good get the idea. And I've got it out to teach Fiona how to shoot. And the thing is with the airsoft, it's very weak and weedy, and it's little plastic balls that people actually designed these guns so they could have gunfights, they could shoot each other. Obviously you wear eye protection, but look, little punch holes in cardboard. I mean, it won't go all the way through. That's just a cardboard box, so you can feel it when you get hit. That's the idea. And people have very elaborate games where they wear masks and they have different airsoft guns and they go running around and they fire plastic balls at each other and have great fun in relative safety. This particular one is a green gas. That means it doesn't have a CO2 in it. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
There are full light matches.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
Oh, is it not?
No, they can ignite.
Right.
Then take them away.
Well,
It's not
take
a
the
good
matches
idea.
out.
Well, then where are you going to put the matches? Then they'll go soft. No.
These useless Chinese matches that don't light.
Are they brown or red? Oh, the safety matches. Okay, stand them up then.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah. I don't think they'll go off. It's the red ones that can self-combust.
I'll just check my bed.
Okay, when you're ready, Fiona.
Okay. Did I hit it?
I think so. Just aim for the centre of the clock face.
Oh, it's terrible grouping.
Doesn't matter, you
My
did it.
balls are getting stuck in the cardboard, so is it running around gas?
No, I've charged it up. It's not a very powerful gun.
Right, okay.
Let's try your matchboxes.
Yeah, right.
Okay, Fiona, you've got 10 shots, you only need 3. Well done.
It's
I'm
very short
sensibly
range.
wearing eye protection.
Very short range though, isn't it?
Did you want to try?
It's 1, 2, 3.
Did you want to try it from further away?
Okay.
You got more shot. Just shoot at the clock.
How far does the BB ball go?
Well,
And you need to be right. You need to film from in the corridor through the window.
Okay.
I'd feel better about that.
okay.
No, down by the feet. Go on the feet.
Yeah, I will. When you're ready.
Yes.
Oh, it's more difficult. Oh, well done.
Yeah, that was definitely more difficult.
Bit of a crack shot, eh, kitten? Bit of a crack shot, eh, kitten?